So, a moment ago, I was talking about the present simple. My name's Geoff. What's your name? A little example of the present simple. In English, everything is looked at from now, the time of speaking. You can say that bit actually.
Why?
We look at everything from now. Okay, no, all right, no, forget it. Start again. So, a moment ago, I was talking about the present simple. My name is Geoff. My name's Geoff. What's your name? What is your name? What's your name? Both examples of the present simple. Have a look at this. Now, the time of speaking. We are here. The time of speaking now. My name's Geoff. It's true today, now. It was true last week. It was true last year. It was true 10 years ago. It will be true tomorrow. It'll be true next month, next year, in 10 years' time. It's always true. Present simple is always true. It's fact. So that's why we use the present simple to talk about things that are always true, around now and before now and after now. My name's Geoff. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.